Good morning, traders. Welcome to this pound dollar video from FXDD. My name is Chris from Elite Currency. And before we take a look at the pound, be aware that trading for exchange and global financial markets is considered high risk. Please seek the advice of an independent financial advisor for more information on that. And this video is for informational and educational purposes only. All right, so this is the pound dollar 4-hour chart, and price made a break to the downside yesterday below this flag. It was looking like a bull flag, but it got invalidated when price broke below the 144 EMA right here and the trend channel right here, and it made a dash to the downside down to the weekly S1. Now, if you followed maybe other videos of ours, then you could have already known that we were expecting not much of a break to the downside because of this support trend line, and price was retesting the entire support zone around 130. Long-term moving average as well, plus of course this bottom of this channel. This channel is starting to look a little bit like a rising wedge. So although price bounced here, and it could break this channel right here and above the 21 EMA high. If it breaks above that zone, which is around 132. So if it breaks above that 21 EMA high and the resistance line, then there could be a breakout for one more higher high, a continuation of this rising wedge pattern to about 134 perhaps, which could be again a bouncing spot for downside, and eventually that could be maybe the decisive moment that price turns back down, and eventually we might get a break of this rising wedge to the downside. All right, so that's the bigger picture, kind of what's going on in the bigger picture. On the 1-hour chart, there we go. Looks like price made an ABC correction here. Sorry, there we go. Let me do that again. ABC. And ABC to the downside here. Now we might get an ABC back to the upside. So for the moment, I think that if price does push up higher, there could be a bounce at the weekly pivot point at the top of the channel, back down to this bottom of this trend line. And that could be, again, a support zone. And then we could see a breakout and further move up. If it doesn't get up to the weekly pivot point, but rather makes a dip down here, then I still think that this area will be a potential support zone for this bigger ABC to the upside. So for the moment, I'm leaning towards bullishness on the pound dollar, unless it breaks through the S1 again. If it breaks through the 130 round level as well is important. So yes, this bottom basically. So if we see price move down like this with a lot of momentum, make a flag, then of course I will change my opinion and change my view and analysis and look for a bearish breakout below that bear flag for a follow through and continuation to the downside. If this does not happen, I'm either going to wait for a pullback after a move higher or an immediate pullback like this and look for a bounce in this zone for an upside. All right, so that is what I'm expecting for the moment. Of course, candlestick patterns are always useful to get confirmations of any analysis. That's what I will be doing as well. For this particular pair, I always do that, or 99% of the cases I wait for price action confirmation. So let's see if we get that confirmation of this particular analysis in today or maybe even Monday next week. All right, that's it for now. Check out more free webinars with FXDD. 2 links here. One is live trading webinars and one is live educational webinars. We hope to see you in both. I wish you all good trading in any case and see you soon. Cheers.